Maria Browne, and I'm the front office manager here at Pacific Resort Rarotonga. I live in Tupapa, but I'm actually from Waka Takitumu. My first position here at the Pacific Resort was a front office attendant, and it was meant to be a 3-month trial. And it ended up 18 years later. The best aspect of my role are the responsibilities that came with it. So many of them. So many of them. It's the people I work with that motivates me to come to work every day, from senior management to staff members. And I love it. What motivates my staff is the incentives that we have in place that makes them work harder and aim for goals. Training, ongoing training motivates them. For me is going out of my way to make sure the guests are extremely happy with their stay and they enjoy it.